Today we are looking at the 2025 Cadillac XT5 Sport in Opulent Blue Metallic. This SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these beautiful Cirrus beige leather seats. These seats contain heating in the front row. The interior is finished in Cirrus and jet black. Your leather-wrapped steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel option, lane assist, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for headlights, windshield wipers, and your gauge cluster. Below, you'll find your controls for heads-up display and parking brake. The driver's side door panel contains controls for windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as memory seat settings. Above, you'll find one of many Bose Performance Series speakers located throughout the entire vehicle. As we jump inside, in the center of the dash, you'll find your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation. Below this, you'll find your climate control settings, as well as controls for heated seats in the front row. In the center column, you'll find your gear shifter, media controls, as well as controls for traction control and drive mode selector. The center console offers loads of room for storage, as well as an SD card tray, 2 USB charging ports, and a wireless charging pad. Above, you'll find a digital rearview mirror, which can be toggled on and off. As we take a look at the exterior, you'll notice plenty of options that are unique to the sport trim, such as this black grille and front bumper, and the red brake calipers. This XT5 is also equipped with alloy wheels. Above, you'll find these black roof rails. Heading to the back, with the touch of a button, we can open our power liftgate, showcasing the spacious cargo area, which is also equipped with rubber mats. As we jump into the back seat, your rear passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, USB charging ports, rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle as well, and pull-down cup holders. These rear seats are also split in a 60-40 fashion, which means both sides can be pulled down using this lever right here to extend your cargo room that much more. Look up and you'll see that beautiful panoramic sunroof allowing sunlight into the vehicle. And that is the 2025 Cadillac XT5 in Opulent Blue, located at Wolfe, Cadillac, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.